Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video onto your project on Alight Motion. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion application on your device, and you can either proceed with tapping on the plus button to create a new project or open up your existing projects. Once you open up a new or existing project on your device, you will be taken into the edit page, from which in order to add your video, just tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. You will now find various different options including media. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be able to browse through your galleries. After choosing your desired video, it will be added onto the timeline. You can now proceed with making your desired edit onto your video that you just added. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a video onto your timeline on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.